hey, Dan Malloy got it right, or almost. I'm Mark Stewart. This is the Daily Fire for June 6th. Governor Malloy declined to sign a bill. He should have flat out vetoed it, but this is close. He did not go along with a General Assembly monstrosity, one that passed easily, which always makes me worried, because it was based on feelings. It's the bill that allows suddenly pregnant women to now come under insurance that they didn't pay for beforehand. Okay? Suddenly, a qualifying life event is now covered. Now, it's only done when you anticipate needing benefits. That's the opposite of insurance. And Malloy at least understands this aspect of the insurance business, and the General Assembly doesn't seem to. Or if they do, they don't care. The business of underwriting takes skillful people assessing histories, assessing costs, assessing likelihoods of different types of people incurring different types of health events and costing the pool. They have to charge the pool appropriately. Underwriting is a very skillful science. It's all based on people not anticipating a need, but protecting in case you have one coming up. When there is a known need, you're not insuring, you're prepaying. Insurance is to cover the unknown with balancing of risks in a big pool. So, when somebody suddenly will need insurance and only then do they come into the pool, they're an immediate loss. They immediately skew the scales and cause those who've paid in and didn't incur losses to have higher premiums the next year. If the General Assembly really wants to cover the welfare of a suddenly pregnant woman, it can do this with a welfare payment. Don't change the whole business of insurance, and don't do it by fiat. You want to ask companies, you want to implore them, use some moral suasion. Maybe that's a good thing. But when you command it by sudden law, your law deserves to be vetoed. This is an imperious General Assembly, and imperious has at least a little bit of heft if it comes with reason. Here they go again, legislating by feeling. Only 10 members of the House voted against them. You are honorable. 139 silly voted for this, and it was a unanimous Senate. So, I thank Governor Malloy for standing up. It should have been a direct veto, but at least he, put his imprimatur in a wise place. I would be doing this every time the General Assembly gives me unreasoned legislation. Expect a veto from me, future Governor Mark Stewart.